welcome to the Heart of the Home. I'm Chef John Maxwell, and we're here at Meadow Hall in Meadow Event Park in Doswell, Virginia. And every week we get to play with some great Virginia food. Now, it's not a secret, but Virginia's got great dairies. We're going to use some milk in this one. We're going to make and some eggs. We're going to be making a custard pie. The official title of this is Grandma's Custard Pie. Right? So we're going to get started with that. I've got some egg whites here. Right, that I've already separated out, and I'm going to brush this. This is a store-bought pie crust. I've already shown you on a show earlier in this how to make a pie crust, so if you want to make your own, you can refer to that or your own recipe, whatever. But I'm brushing this, the sides and the bottom, with the egg whites. Now what this will do is this will keep that wet custard from sogging out the crust as it bakes. It'll firm up and seal the bottom. And I've got to scald this milk a little bit. Now this is scalded now, and that's all I'm looking for, is for it to be scalded milk. So I'll turn that off, and then I'm going to come over here, whisk these egg yolks a little bit. I'm putting it on this towel so it doesn't spin around on me. So I'm going to take this over here, right? And I'm just going to temper the eggs and the milk in here. I don't want to go in too fast because the real hot milk will curdle the eggs. We'll have scrambled egg pie instead of custard pie. So this just takes a second or two. Once I get it up to a certain temperature, then I can go a lot faster. By scalding the milk, we allow it to go into solution better. It binds with the eggs better, so that we'll have a true custard when we're finished. All right, so now I've got this hot milk and egg mixture over here. I'm going to add the sugar. And I'm going to add a little bit of nutmeg. Nutmeg is a pretty intense flavor. You don't want to add too much, especially in baking, because the heat of the oven will help bring that out. So you don't want to overpower it with nutmeg. But it's really good in this pie. There's a little more sugar. You can tell I don't like carrying sugar home. Okay, so the sugar is going to dissolve a little bit in this hot milk. All right, and I'm going to add some vanilla. Just a couple of drops. Okay. And now, this is going to go into the pie crust. And I'm going to pop this in the oven. Now, I pulled this one out of that oven. It's perfect. It's nice and jiggly. The crust is nice and light brown. I've got one here that I had cooked earlier so that I could handle it, right? And it's set up here, and I can't tell you how good it tastes because I haven't tasted it quite yet, but I'm going to hurry up and get out of here so I can have a taste. This is a Grandma's Egg Custard Pie, great for the holidays. So join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get to play with great Virginia food.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.